In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pop-up sales notifications in Shopify. Setting up pop-up sales notifications can be a game changer for your online store. These notifications not only build trust with potential customers by showing recent purchases but also create a sense of urgency and excitement, encouraging others to make a purchase. This step-by-step guide will help you integrate these notifications seamlessly into your Shopify store, enhancing both user experience and sales. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center for managing your store. Once you're in, you'll want to head to the Shopify App Store. This is your gateway to hundreds of apps that can extend the functionality of your store. In the search bar, type in Sales Pop or Sales Notifications to find an app that suits your needs. There are several options available, so feel free to explore, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on one popular and free option. Once you've chosen an app, click on the app to view more details and then select Add App to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install the app to your Shopify store. This may require you to grant the app certain permissions to integrate with your shop. Ensure you read through these permissions to stay informed about what you're authorizing. Once the app is installed, you'll find it in your App section of the Shopify admin dashboard. Click on the app to open it, and you'll be greeted with an introductory setup. This is where you can adjust settings like the style, position, and timing of your pop-up notifications. It's essential to customize these notifications to reflect your brand style and messaging. Many apps will offer a plethora of customization options, including templates and color schemes, so take your time to find the perfect look for your store. You'll also want to set parameters for the notifications, deciding whether they show actual recent sales or fabricated ones based on your store activity. For instance, some stores opt to show only recent sales to maintain authenticity, while others use a combination of real and simulated sales to enhance the perception of popularity. Next, configure the timing and frequency of notifications. You don't want to overwhelm your visitors with too many pop-ups, as this can be distracting and counterproductive. A good starting point is setting the notification to appear every 30 seconds and up to 3 times per user session. This way, you keep the customer engaged without disrupting their browsing experience. After finalizing your settings, make sure to save them. Before going live, it's a good idea to preview how the notifications will look on your site. You can do this in most apps by activating a preview mode. This step is crucial to ensure everything appears as you envisioned without any hiccups. Once you're happy with the preview, activate the pop-up sales notifications for your Shopify store. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up pop-up sales notifications. Regularly review their performance to adjust settings as needed to keep them effective and aligned with your marketing strategy. These notifications can significantly enhance your store's credibility and sales potential, turning casual browsers into confident buyers.